Hi everyone, I'm going to speak about an important instrument known as a DG16 Explorer. According to me and some others, we often say that this is the one instrument that's highly overlooked or underrated. The reason being, it's a modification of a straight probe. DG16 is 70 years old, I told you. We decided to modify the instrument by making it lightweight, using medical grade steel, using a hollow handle, making some grooves and serrations, and we called it the Etchenem. The Etchenem series comprised of 5 instruments. This is the first of the instruments in the 5, known as the DG16 Explorer. The instrument is definitely longer by a centimeter than the other instruments. The instrument, also the tip design, the last part of it, the working area, is about a millimeter more. It's about 17 millimeters. The tip has been made active. The core of the tip has increased, and the convergence angle also is definitive. I'm sure all of them who use this instrument will appreciate the fact that the smaller corrections that are done are with the purpose. The DG16 Explorer that the Etchenem has designed, generally they say it's an angle of 45 degrees or 70 degrees. But that angle is to the handle. Because I said it's a mono and a biangle instrument, we have measured the angles at each of those bends. And if you see this protractors that have been placed there, you can understand very well what are the angles. In fact, I'd like to show the next picture where it shows exactly the first bend is about 110 degrees, and the second bend, there are 2 of that. One is to at 160, the other one is at 120. But this is not to the shaft. This is to each of those bends. But this has really helped us make this instrument even look better. So if you see, this is what I was meaning by a biangle bend, and this is a mono angle bend of a 2-ended single instrument known as the DG16 Explorer from Etchenem series. Happy working. Thank you all.